97% of older men don't recognize the real reason why younger women smile at them, and today I'm going to reveal 7 hidden reasons behind those smiles. But first, a quick warning. One of these reasons will truly surprise you because most men never even consider that this could be what's really happening. Most older men assume that when a younger woman smiles, it's just politeness, maybe friendliness, or at most, a sign of respect. But psychology shows us that it's not that simple. Research in neuroscience suggests that a smile can be an unconscious reaction to emotional stimuli. It's not just about being nice. It's about how she perceives your energy, your posture, and the way you carry yourself. Now, let me ask you something directly. How many times have you noticed that smile and completely ignored it? Or even worse, how many times did you assume it had nothing to do with you? That right there is the mistake that separates average men from those who truly understand female psychology. When you learn to master your masculine presence and apply techniques like active listening and effective communication, every smile becomes an opportunity. An opportunity for connection, emotional awareness, and silent attraction. And that's exactly what I'm about to show you. First reason, confidence that doesn't need to be loud. Older men don't feel the need to prove anything. You've lived enough to understand that chasing approval is unnecessary. That calm attitude sends a quiet form of confidence. Younger women pick up on this instantly. They sense that you're not trying too hard to impress, and that's exactly what triggers that subtle, natural smile. It's as if her subconscious is saying, "This man knows who he is." Second reason, the energy of maturity. Younger women are often surrounded by men who are unsure of themselves and constantly changing direction. But when you stand firm and grounded, you project something many of them lack: emotional stability. Psychology refers to this as holding a strong frame. When you maintain your inner state, even when tested, you become magnetic. The contrast between your maturity and others' immaturity becomes obvious, and that often sparks a natural smile. Third reason, a presence that stands out. Have you noticed how many younger men walk into a place glued to their phones? They're not truly present, just distracted. But when you enter a space with centered energy, everything shifts. This is called conscious presence. It doesn't need words, it's felt, and women notice it immediately. That smile in this case is almost like silent recognition. This man is different. Fourth reason, style that doesn't seek approval. It's not about flashy clothes or trying to look 20 years younger. It's about simple elegance and attention to detail. A well-fitted shirt, a watch that suits your personality, a well-groomed beard. These are subtle signals that you know who you are. That level of self-care activates a psychological trigger, attraction to a clearly defined identity. And remember, style isn't about money, it's about consistency. Younger women respect and respond to authenticity. Fifth reason, the protector effect. Now, here's something most men don't realize. Some younger women unconsciously seek a sense of protection, not because they want a father figure, but because their brain associates emotional stability with safety. This is linked to the amygdala, the part of the brain responsible for detecting threats and seeking security. Her smile may actually be a subtle way of saying, "I feel safe around you." And this is where many men misinterpret that smile as simple politeness. Sixth reason, curiosity about your experience. Experience is attractive, and I'm not just talking about career success or travel, but the wisdom you carry. Younger women sense that you have stories, lessons, and perspectives that men their age haven't developed yet. That smile can mean curiosity, a desire to see the world through your eyes. It's like a quiet invitation for you to share something only you can offer. Seventh reason, the aura of not needing them. This might be the most powerful point of all. When an older man is centered, he doesn't seek validation from women, and attraction psychology is paradoxical. The less you need, the more magnetic you become. Women feel this. They smile because deep down they sense your independence, and it's that freedom that sparks genuine interest. So, the next time a younger woman smiles at you, don't be naive. Don't automatically assume it's attraction, but don't dismiss it either. It could be respect, curiosity, or recognition of your energy. Here's a direct piece of advice. Master your presence, your confidence, and your style. When you do that, you won't need to wonder why she smiled. You'll simply understand. If this content opened your eyes, like the video now and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel because every week I'll be bringing you more insights on female psychology, masculine energy, and effective communication techniques. And if you really want to go deeper and discover words and phrases that create instant attraction, check out the ebook, Secrets of Attraction. The link is in the description and pinned comment. This material will show you in a practical way how to turn every interaction into a real opportunity for connection. Now it's your turn. Pay attention to the next smiles you receive. Apply what you've learned today, observe the reactions, and come back to tell me, because once you understand female psychology, you'll never see a smile the same way again.